Good morning, respected teachers and students. On the occasion of Constitution Day, it is important to understand the fundamental rights that given by the Constitution of India. These rights are essential to protect the freedom and liberty of every individual in our country. Today, we will discuss the seven fundamental rights that given by the Constitution of India to its all the citizens. Right number first, Article 14 to 18. The rights to equality guarantee that all citizens are equal before the law. It ensures no discrimination on the ground, religion, caste, sex, birth, or place. Everyone has equal access, opportunity, and justice. Right number second, right to freedom. Article 19. In this article include the freedom of speech and expression, the right to form associations, the right to form assemblies peacefully, the freedom of movement within the country, the right to reside in any part of India. However, these rights are subjected to reasonable restrictions.
Right number 3, right against exploitation, Article 23 and 24. This right prohibits human trafficking, child labor, forced labor, and protect human from illegal practices.
Right number 4, Article 25 to 28. Right to freedom of religion. This right guaranteed that freedom of religion. Every individual has freedom to propagate, practice, and follow their religion, and state cannot discriminate on the basis of their religion. Right number 5, cultural and educational rights. Article 29 and 30. These rights protected the cultural and educational rights of minorities. They have the right to protect their culture and language, and they can establish educational institution of their choice.
Right number 6, right to constitutional remedies, Article number 32. This is most powerful right. It allows citizens to approach the courts for the enforcement of their fundamental rights. If any right is violated, citizen can seek justice through the judiciary. Thank you.
Right number 7, right to life and personal liberty. Article 21. Right to life is a fundamental right ensuring that every individual has a right to live with dignity. This included right to live with freedom, freedom for lawful detention, and right to live a healthy life. These rights are the pillar of democracy. Thank you and have a nice day.